Let's walk through the steps required to create a FromFile process in Centasa. The use for this is you may potentially have uploaded some data using the file upload utility. And when you do that, you're going to get a path. If you look at the data that you've uploaded, you can copy that path. Go back to a blank process or an existing process you want to add to. Unlock the canvas. Drag and drop an S3 connector and choose the bucket. In this case, we're using this particular bucket. Then scroll down in the processes and find the FromFile node. Drag and drop that on the canvas and connect your S3 bucket to that FromFile process. Open the process and click on the Auto Configure section, and then you can paste that file that you just grabbed from the files directory. The file name and extension itself, you're going to put that in the file pattern area. And because we've connected to this bucket, we don't need to have the bucket listed in the source path. So you just have the uploads directory and then the file that you're going to access. Click apply, and you'll notice that the fields are kind of pre-populated for you. And because this is a CSV file, we're going to choose a comma separator for our delimiter. And since we're just pulling in one file, we don't need to incrementally load. And we'll say that our data has a header, so we'll check that. There's a little wand right here to click on. That's kind of an auto configure area. So you click on that. This will allow you to get a quick peek at that file to make sure that you're bringing in the data that you're anticipating. Click apply. The next step is to set up the schema. So click on schema in the left side here. There's an autofill function. Click that and it will automatically pull in all the columns from the data that you just set up. Click on output to give it a name, and we're just going to change this to say loader. So we'll update this appropriately. Click save and lock, and now this job is ready to run.